Hi friends, welcome back to the Big Joy of Learning with Bijoy ji. Are you getting some odd unknown events added to your Google Calendar? Your phone shows notifications of these events and you are wondering from where it got added? Be careful, you might have given permission to unknown users or applications to add events to your calendar. To be on the safer side, change your calendar event settings to allow only known persons or to when I respond to the invitation in email. For setting this, go to Google Calendar. If you have not opened your Google Calendar for some time, it is likely you get this message on the right top corner of the calendar. Click on Manage Settings and change the settings as you need. Alternatively, you can also do this from the Google Calendar settings, General, Event Settings, Add Invitation to my Calendar section. Please note that this is your Google Calendar settings and not your Gmail settings. Here, if you select Everyone, all event invitations that is sent to you will directly get added to your calendar. If you select Only if the sender is known, the event is added to your calendar only if your sender is in your contacts or if you have made some conversation with him before. If you select When I respond to the invitation in email, the event is added into your calendar only if you respond to the invitation in email. In case you selected one of the last two sections and the option for Let others see all invitations if they have permission to view or edit events is ticked, it might reveal to the sender they aren't in your contacts. Just to see how to add a contact as known, we will add an event in the calendar and see how to add the sender to contacts. Once added to contacts, the sender becomes a known sender. Alternatively, you can add the contact from the Other Contacts section in your Google Contacts. If you have accidentally added an unknown sender to the contacts, just select the contact and delete. He will become an unknown sender, but only if you have not made regular conversation with this email ID. Be alert and be safe online. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.